Hey guys, so I haven't posted like a twist out video in a really long time. I mean, I posted one earlier this year, which was a Dusty to Divine video, but that wasn't really a twist out centered video. It was more so how I get my hair from Rex to better. But today I'm focusing on a twist out. So on YouTube you'll see many different methods of twist outs, and today I'm focusing on one which you're using a gel based product on dry hair and you're trying to get a twist out that is very defined as well as not crunchy. So there may be people who prefer to work on wet hair, but I wanted to show you guys how I will work with the dry hair and still get a really defined twist out. So that's what you're gonna see here today. The products I'll be using today will be products that you've probably seen before, because I stick to what I have and barely buy because I'm a student. I ain't got that kind of money to be buying all them products, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, so I'll be doing first is spritzing water on this section, adding leave-in conditioner. I'll be adding oil, yes, this is oil, coconut oil to be exact, and then I'll be adding my gel. Push pause, EcoStyler can't cancel because it is the best and cheapest gel product I have found as of right now. I definitely have been inspired by the YouTube cancel trend though, to be more responsible about what I put in my head and to try and venture out into different brands. But right now I am not in the process of purchasing different hair products, and I will this summer. So if you're interested, please stay tuned as I do that. And really and truly, this is the only gel that I have among my natural hair products. So please leave in the comments your thoughts about this whole EcoStyler cancel thing. I definitely like to hear. Okay, let's resume. And that is it. And I want to show you guys that you can get a defined twist out with just those products. Leave-in, oil, gel, not to mention water. Okay, so let's get started. Back is done already. Please tell me that these are not shiny and juicy twists. Look at them. It's just juicy. Juicy. Anyways, create a section of hair. This is what I did here. Then you're gonna spritz it with water lightly. So and not soak, but just wet it. So I don't even let it have a whole mist. I control just drips of water that go along it, because especially for a small section like this, I don't want it to get wet because I want it to stay stretched. By the way, after I wash my hair, I put conditioner in there and then I detangle it with the conditioner. So this is really detangled. A few knots would form between the week since I didn't style it right after I washed it, but that's minimal. So then you apply the leave-in conditioner to the section, run it through, and then you apply your choice of oil. My choice is coconut oil, and it's just on the tips of my finger, and I just run it through. Then I detangle. I'm using the Denman brush, my Denman brush, to detangle the section, to distribute the oil, because that's my main thing, the oil, which is to keep the hair moisturized and to prevent a gel cast or crunchy hair when using the gel. So then just on the tip of my finger I just put some gel and I run it through the section. Not too much, because I'm not trying to do a wash and go on dry hair. I'm just trying to get some product to smooth the hair and to clump the hair so that it can be reformed into whatever I desire, which is a twist, right? So I detangle it and then I twist. So I put the gel at the end too, so that it can just curl up, but I put oil first so that there's no gel cast there as well with the excessive gel that I added, right? It's not as shrunken as it would be if I did it on my hair. It lands right here on my face. My tips for successful twist outs are: 1. Start with completely detangled hair. Your wash day routine is imperative to have a good style, such as a twist out. 2. Make sure the styling products that you use coat all of your hair strands. 3. Allow your hair to dry completely. 4. The tighter the twist that you make, the more defined it will be when you pull it out. And 5. The smaller the twist, the more defined your hair will be. So I'm gonna stretch my hair by using some hair ties because I'm trying to get it to be longer than it usually does after it dries. So I'm legit just gonna put hair ties different points and just stretch my hair in the night. Okay, so I finished the 2 sections of my hair and I'll see you tomorrow when it's dry. Okay guys, so I just pulled out all the hair ties, sorry, and I just realized some of my hair isn't dry, which is unfortunate because I'd really wanted to twist it out today, well this morning, and then show you guys, but I'll just have to wait until later today and show you guys, so I'll see you then. Guys, so it's the next day, so I've had it twisted for a full day now, and I'm gonna show you how it looks when I twist it out. Luckily they're still stretched, so yeah, and because I use a lot of oil, I'm just gonna pull it out. I'm not gonna you know, put oil on my fingers like I usually would to make sure that I don't frizz my hair. I'm just gonna do this because I use so much oil. So yeah.